We'll teach you Hura brachynalis today. Wonderful remedy from the plant kingdom, from the Rosidae subclass, from the Euphorbiaceae family especially. It's the same family from which Manzanilla belongs to the. And if you can look around the hierarchy, yes, the Rosidae subclass, which is the fifth subclass of the plant kingdom, it is corresponds to the fourth row of the periodic table, which has the issues related to the work, task, duty, securities, and the Euphorbiaceae family it belongs to the. And if you can look around, it's the same family from which the Croton take, Manzanilla, Cascarilla, Euphorbium, and Hura belongs to the. So it's basically a theme of tied and untied type of thing in the sensation. The passive reaction is always the tied, cannot do anything, like a prisoner in a prison, so tightly held that she cannot move. So this was the passive reaction. And what is the active reaction? Opposite to that, free, break free, bondless, desire to break free. That's the basically the active reaction of this remedy. So you can check out these pictures, tied and untied, want to get freedom from the prison, in other words you can say. So the common name is sandbox from the plant kingdom. The peculiarity, he loves writing against the injustice. So just like Staphysagra, another remedy from the Ranunculaceae subclass, he loves writing against the injustice. Bit of theme like a causticum type of a remedy, a Staphysagra type of a remedy. Loves writing against injustice. He starts weeping as soon he tries to sing. So as soon as he would sing something, some very emotional melodrama type of song of Lata Mangeshkar or Asha Bhosle, she will sing, and he will suddenly start weeping. That's the remedy he is. Hura has a huge sphere of action in ophthalmic system and extremities. Often some good cases of rheumatism I have seen, and prescribe mainly this remedy on the mental symptoms, and you will get the continuously good results from this remedy. Okay, so belongs to the Rosidae subclass. We see a lot of action about everything in Hura. So affection of Hura, that is one of the peculiarity. They constant desire to kiss everyone. And one more remedy in our materia medica is Coccus sativa, and also has the desire to kiss everyone. Oh, so somehow he develops a delusion whether he is going to lose someone whom she loves her a lot. So there is a lot of delusion that she will lose something which she loved a lot. So we'll see the totality of the mental aspect. Delusion, imagine, hypnotize. So he thinks he is hypnotized. Only 3 remedies are there, as if someone else is controlling him. Wonderful remedy and wonderful peculiar rubric of Hura. You can prescribe on the basis of that. Delusion, imagine, lose someone dear he will. So there is a delusion that someone dear to him he will lose. Delusion, imagine, worthless he is. He thinks he is worthless. Delusion, accidents. Delusion, walls. Love everyone around him. Lots of affection you will find in Hura, just like carcinosin. You will find lots of affection. Change desire to position from, just like tuberculosis, he also wanted to change the desire of his position. Writing desire for lots of writing type of, often this type of patient can be the authors of the book or the journalists. They used to write lots about the politician. They will write lots about injustice which is coming to the society. They will write a lot about it. So this is the totality. Writing desire for injustice about Hura is a single remedy. Can't weeping mood, singing when, so whenever he will sing something emotional, something with melodious songs, he will start weeping. Pulsating, beating, throbbing, extending from occiput to vertex. The pain in the head which extends from occiput to vertex. Hura is the remedy. Eye pain, cutting in the morning, so cutting pain in the eye, especially in the morning. Eye vision, sparks walking by, so while walking, the eye vision used to spark. Noises here, whistling in the afternoon. So in the afternoon he will hear the whistling type of noises. Pain in the ear band, pulsating. So behind the ear, the pulsating type of pain. Tearing pain, inspiration also. There are also tearing pain in the throat, which is aggravated by inspiration. Okay, so good remedy for the throat affection as well. Back pain, drawing, lumbar region, leaning forward. So leaning forward aggravate the lumbar pain, which is type of drawing type of thing. Back pain lacinating, lumbar region extending to coccyx. From the lumbar region it extends to the coccyx. Hura is the remedy. It's a good sphere of action in the extremities and especially in the back. Crackling knee, ascending stairs. During the ascending stairs, there will be experience of the crackling of the knees. Abdomen pain, stool during diarrhea. So during the diarrhea, there is pain in the abdomen. Abdomen, hip region, pimples. Okay, so in the hip region there will also pimples type of something where we can found, especially the eruption which can be pustules or even can be papules as well. So Hura is the remedy of choice. So this is all about the Hura. I hope you all have enrolled to our webinar. Me and Dr. Lakshmi Prashanti are doing a Canadian webinar. So we'll see you on the other side in few days. These are the 2 books which me and Dr. Rajeshi has written. You can contact to me nishan25smilebox@gmail.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.